Hey guys, it's Robert with Rome Functional Fitness and Food, and this is our Monday Minutes of Movement. Today we're doing a nice simple chair exercise, okay? Or multiple exercises. So pretty much your first move is just going to be a push-up. You're just going to have your hands back on the chair back. Pull those shoulders back. You're going down to your sternum and press up. Down and up. Down and up. Be sure that you're not sagging your back, okay? We want your back actually flexed to fire that core, fire those hip flexors. Bam. Nice and simple. Next move is going to be lower body. All we're doing is squatting. You're going to pull your shoulders back. Hip hinge, activate your glutes and your hamstrings. Boom, hip hinge, squat down under control, lean back, come up under control. Bam. Hip hinge, squat, back, forward, up. Hip hinge, squat, back, forward, up. So our next movement, we're going to be doing a little bit of pulling. So your chair may be light, it may be heavy. That's okay. We're worried more about the movement. If you want to add some more resistance, you can always place a couple of books in your chair for this next move. Just going to bend down, grab the handle, or grab the seat, and just pull up, pull up. Again, I'm more worried about the form than the weight. If you want more weight, you can add books in here, maybe canned goods or food or other things inside the chair seat. So you're pulling, squeeze those shoulder blades back. Pull, squeeze those shoulder blades back. Pull, squeeze those shoulder blades back. Next move, we're doing another lower body movement. A simple step up. Place your leg on, press up, and down. Press up and down. Oh yeah. Make sure we switch legs. Same thing. Up, down, up, down. Fantastic. So our last movement is going to be a tricep dip. This is going to work your triceps, your shoulders. Guess what else? Your biceps, lats, and your chest. Take your hands, place it on the side of the chair or on the front of the chair. Bring your feet forward, pull your shoulders back, pick yourself up, bring it down and up, down and up. The good thing about this movement, you do not have to bring your elbows, you do not have to bend your elbows past 90 degrees in order for this move to be effective. Another good thing about this movement, your lower body can help pick you up. Oh yeah. Bam. So we're done with that simple chair workout. Again, this is Robert, and this is our Monday Minutes of Movement. We will talk to you guys next week.